In this video guys, we will talk about what are the common uses of JavaScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in the channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So we are talking here what are the common uses of JavaScript. First, we have form validation. Second, page embezzlements and special effects. That includes animations. Third, navigation systems or the menus in a website or web pages. Fourth, basic math calculations. Fifth, dynamic content manipulation. So we have here some sample applications that common uses of JavaScript. Dashboard widgets in macOS operating system X. Google Maps, Philips Universal Remotes, Rightly Word Processor, hundreds of others. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short tutorial video on what are the most common uses of JavaScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Please click the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.